how to download and log in to Overdrive. To begin, open up your device's App Store and type Overdrive into the search bar. Once you have identified the Overdrive app among your results, select the button that says Get. Make sure you are attached to Wi-Fi or have data on in order to download the app. Once the app is downloaded, you can select the button that says Open. This will take you directly to the app. The first time you open the Overdrive app, it will prompt you to sign up or sign in to an account. You can skip this step and click on the button that says Continue. Select the button Add a Library. Type in the name of the library you're looking for. In this case, type in Vancouver Community College and click the button Search. Select the Vancouver Community College option in the left sidebar. Then select the Vancouver Community College option one more time. This will bring you to the main page of VCC's Overdrive catalog. Next, you'll want to sign into the catalog with your VCC student ID in order to borrow books. Select the button in the top right corner that says Sign In. Several options will appear, but you want to sign in with your VCC student ID, so select the first button beneath the Sign In with your library card banner. The button says Sign In. This will take you to a page where you sign in. Type your student ID number into the bar that says Student ID Number, and your student ID password into the bar that says Password. Then select Login as Student. Congratulations! You're logged into VCC's Overdrive catalog. Thank you so much for watching. To learn more about browsing the catalog, checking out, and downloading, please watch the next video in this series.